to remember the fallen legends of the West Coast.
Never be friends.
Rest in peace, Tupac. Rest in peace, Eazy-E. Rest in peace, my nigga Mac Dre.
DJ Scream.
You know I walk through the valley of death. Vest on, Teflon, not poached in my hurricane sweats. Black chrome, my shoulder, big wheel till it's over. He never got to see me put black chrome on the Rover. Reading your obituary, wishing we never met, so I wouldn't have to shed tears or wake up in cold sweat. Looking at this bottle of Hennessy, wishing you never left. Wishing I chased your Monte Carlo down and gave you my vest. Or better yet, I wish they never let you out, and I never got that phone call telling me that you out. Wish you never signed the release form. I wouldn't have had to clear this sample or use this track to say rest in peace for him. You wanted to know if Dre and M felt you? They did. Before I could tell you somebody killed you. I feel pain for everybody that ever knew the real you. Call Knives, let them know I got an ill will too.
My nigga, if you look in the mirror, if you see things clearer, my nigga, who are you? My nigga, do you know where you headed? Do you know who you are and why you do the things you do? My nigga, if you look in the mirror, if you see things clearer, my nigga, who are you? Do you know where you headed? Do you know who you are and why you do the things you do?
Niggas politicking, wanna know why I'm rhyming different. My best friend got murdered, nigga, my mind is different. If you ain't never spent no time in prison, you can't understand these bars or the lines I'm spitting. Niggas rally me up, let's go find a victim. I can't do it, homie, that's the reason Shine in prison. And through divine intervention, 10 plus years doing crime in the trenches, multiplied by the time we spent in the kitchen. It's a life worth for hard living. Cuban cigar tipping, 12th grade ditching, purple served by the jar sipping. If you lost a homie, you know friendship is God given. I done seen the church so much, you think I was born Christian. I done seen more dead bodies than a mortician. Seen niggas in and out of county blues like they was born crippin'. So I'ma keep on living, cause when I'm gone, niggas ain't gonna do shit but fuck my bitch and pour liquor.
My nigga, if you look in the mirror, if you see things clearer, my nigga, who are you? My nigga, do you know where you headed? Do you know who you are and why you do the things you do? My nigga, if you look in the mirror, if you see things clearer, my nigga, who are you? Do you know where you headed? Do you know who you are? Why you do the things you do?
What if you was me and you had to sit through an entire funeral while the pastor reading your homeboy's eulogy? I'm already dead, what the fuck you gonna do to me? Keep talking shit, I empty my clip and that G-Unity. Give me a minute to say my grace with God. I see your face in the mirror, I came a long way to talk and tell you your mom's is missing you, your pops is missing you. Just saw your baby pictures in your grandmother's living room. Face is missing you, homie, Wink is missing you. Thank God you left us memories and songs to listen to. Bell is missing you, the hood is missing you. Let my son graduate high school and I'ma come visit you. The world is missing you, Eminem was feeling you. Dre said he felt your vibe the little time we spent with you. Pour the Henny out cause he ain't hearing the physical. They say real men don't cry, but nigga, I'm missing you.
My nigga, if you look in the mirror, if you see things clearer, my nigga, who are you? My nigga, do you know where you headed? Do you know who you are and why you do the things you do? My nigga, if you look in the mirror, if you see things clearer, my nigga, who are you? Do you know where you headed?